Duo Security Cisco Security Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think passwords are enough, but you won't believe what happens next when hackers break in within minutes. Duo Security, owned by Cisco, is a multi-factor authentication platform that protects accounts with extra verification steps. The surprising truth is that Duo blocks most account takeovers by requiring phone confirmations or security keys. Most people get this wrong. They think two-factor login is inconvenient. In reality, it adds only seconds but prevents major losses. Duo is best for businesses, schools, and security-conscious users. The surprising truth is that security starts with identity protection. Subscribe for more honest cybersecurity reviews that keep you safe online.